Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the SOG Vulcan Mini folding knife. Overall length is 7.35 inches. Blade length is 3 inches of VG10. It's got a nice recurve to the blade. The handle length is 4.35 inches and is FRN material with stainless steel liners. You have a pocket clip for, a deep carry pocket clip rather, for tip up right-handed carry. And you have an overall weight of, oh boy, where did I put my tactical clothespin? Here we go. Here's your size comparison with the tactical clothespin. Overall weight is 3.4 ounces, and it has the SOG arc lock. It's similar to the Benchmade axis lock, but it runs along an arc rather than sliding back and forth. So, guys, go ahead and check it out at bladehq.com. This is the SOG Vulcan Mini.